What's up, guys? Today is Thursday, August 5th, 2021. It's about 9:30 in the morning, and dang, that's a good looking truck. Yesterday, we received the new ball bearing billet wheel turbo for the Jetta. Yesterday I went to work and I started building the new generator rack for the van. I welded the wastegate, the cracks in the old wastegate adapter tube. So that's good to go back on. Hopefully today, if the rain stops, we can get that turbo bolted back on. Get the water lines ran, figure out how we can run those, and take that thing for a drive. Definitely time to get some videos of that thing. But for now, we're gonna go get me a drink from the store, head to work, and I'll check back in after work. So hold tight. Alright, so this is the GTX 3582R 10 blade billet aluminum blade wheel, anti-surge housing. It's a ball bearing center section. It's got water cooled. It's the AN fitting for my oil return. This is the .106 T3 back housing. Compared to the T3.182, it's a fucking astronomical difference. Hopefully this prevents the car from choking out up top. It'll choke out at 6,000 RPM, probably because of the stock cams, to be honest, but this way, at least we know it'll have room to breathe. It'll spool up faster, and once we do get big cams, like, we'll be all set for it. And if it is too big, we can always swap in the old .82 T3 housing, the same turbine wheels, so everything should be just fine there. So yeah, we'll come back to this after work. And yeah, that's it. We'll see you. Hey guys, welcome back. It's 5 o'clock. I got off work. Spent most of the day building the generator rack for the van. Check this out. Pull this pin out. Pivot it. Just let the doors open. Take it back out the way. Use some booger weld so it doesn't fall out, so I can steal it. Yeah, I'm stoked on that. Here's the new turbo for the Jetta. I gotta get it clocked, trying to get it oriented correctly. Sits like fucking this. All right, finally got this wastegate situated. I put new bolts in it. Had to re-weld it because there was cracks on it. Extend the cooling line back here, 4 inches. Back up. Yeah. Feel better. Just need to make sure the downpipe. All right, I got it clocked. Now I'm gonna put the oil or the water lines on it, tighten up the oil feed and the oil drain, and then we're gonna get this thing bolted back on. Alright, gang, got the new Terpski in. We need to plumb the water lines, but we just need to see if it'll start for now.
I know, we're gonna have to get some cigarettes after this. You ready for it?